Hey guys, this is Jamie and Adam for RC Logger.
Hi.
And we are now going to take you guys through the gyro calibration process for the NovaX 350. And once again, we can't specify enough that we really want to encourage you to use the app if you have a smartphone or tablet. It's called iControl, and you can find it on the Android marketplace, or you can find it in the iTunes store as well.
Correct.
For people like me that use Apple, so you want to have
People
a fight
like me
about
that
it.
use Android.
So anyway, but we're going to get you into this. But if you don't have the app, that's okay. Once again, the manual process works as well. And so we're going to take you through that process.
Yep.
So
correct. For starters, we need two things.
Yep.
We need our NovaX.
And this guy
Fully
again,
charged LiPo.
Fully charged LiPo.
We actually don't need to turn the transmitter on for this procedure. There's no need for it. So what we want to do is insert our LiPo and plug it in, power the unit up.
I'm going to turn this around real quick if that's okay too.
Yeah, sure.
And just show how this process works. So this actually just goes through this slot here. And then you just plug it in, you're good to go. So that's kind of how it works in plugging that in.
We're going to let the NovaX go through an arming sequence. It's just a loud audible tone. And basically it's going to be ready for its calibration procedure. You see a red flashing. It might be a white flashing. It just depends on, oh, there we go. See, everything had to settle out.
Yeah.
So it's going to be a white flashing LED. Basically it's flashing because the transmitter's not on, and that's okay. We have the props removed because we always demonstrate safety when we're doing anything on the bench with our multi-rotors. So what we're going to do for starters is we're going to remove the canopy because we need to get at a small button on the flight control board. And be very careful when removing the canopy. Don't just grip it and yank it off of there because you're going to damage things.
Yeah, remember we've got this cable here that's going from the main flight controller up to your GPS unit. And so we want to be careful with that. And then just set the canopy right there is perfect.
Yep. So what we want to do is we want to start by accessing our calibration menus. And in order to do that, we need to basically push this very small button that we have located right here for 2 seconds. We're going to hold it down. And what we're going to get is a red LED with a solid blue light on the bottom. And that's actually the transmitter learning calibration procedure. And we've already covered that in another video. So we're going to hit the button one more time, and we're going to watch the LED change to green. Green for
gyro.
There we go.
GG. There you go. Perfect.
So now we're at the gyro menu, and what we want to do is we want to basically enter that menu. And in order to do that, we have to double tap this button. Once we double tap it, we're going to put the canopy back on and secure it into place. So we're going to give it a double tap. The blue LED will start to flash.
So we know we're
grab
in
our canopy
calibration
here.
mode. And make sure that you push it all the way down, that
Snap
it locks
in.
in so that it is solid.
So now you want to not touch the table or move anything around, and the gyro will beep once, letting you know it's ready and that step is complete. And the only thing we have to do is rotate it 180 degrees.
Right.
So if you want to pick it up.
What I found is just pick it up like this. Just make sure when you rotate it and you do set it down that it is a full
180.
perfect 180 degree turn.
And then the Nova will beep twice, letting you know that it just got completed its gyro calibration procedure.
Process is done.
That's
you
it.
have a solid blue LED. You don't have to do any crazy dances.
No dancing, no
nothing
hula
like
hoops, no anything.
So,
just turn it on, do the menu.
easy.
There you go.
Absolutely.
Does that cover it?
I think that covers everything,
Cool.
man.
Hey guys, we want to thank you very much for watching our video. And if you have any questions, you can find us at support.rclogger.com.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.